Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTC VIVE channel. I'm Jojo, and I'm super excited to introduce you to HTC's latest smartphone, the HTC U24 Pro. Building on the highly praised foundation of our previous U23 Pro, HTC's U24 Pro continues to evolve and innovate. This futuristic-looking phone brings new and exciting experiences in its design, camera performance, and entertainment. First up, let's talk about the design. HTC's U24 Pro features a sleek, futuristic look that is both simple and elegant. The metal frame gives it a premium feel, and those smooth lines with thin bezel provide a solid and great grip in your hand. You'll love watching videos and playing games on our stunning curved glass screen. Plus, it's available in two gorgeous colors, Space Navy and Glowing Beige. Not only is it stylish, but it's also tough. With an IP67 rating, it's waterproof and dustproof, and the Gorilla Glass keeps the screen well protected, so you can carry it anywhere with peace of mind. Speaking of capturing moments in life, HTC U24 Pro is a game changer. It comes equipped with 4 versatile cameras, 3 of which offer 15-megapixel resolutions, including the main lenses, front lenses, and the telephoto lenses. Whether you are snapping stunning portraits, breathtaking landscapes, or vibrant night scenes, every shot is packed with detail and clarity. Additionally, the 8-megapixel wide-angle lenses make it easy to capture everything. But that's not all. This time, we've added some awesome AI features focused on social interaction, letting technology naturally flow into your daily life. These include the AI group photo and AI-assisted AR gesture features. Imagine at a family gathering and trying to capture everyone's bedside in one perfect shot. The AI group photo feature can detect every person in the frame and automatically take 4 to 5 shots in an instant. Don't worry about odd or unwanted expressions. Keep only the good ones and say goodbye to awkward group photos. For those who love to add a bit of fun to their photos, the AI-assisted AR gesture feature is perfect. It supports 6 popular AR gesture animations like a heart, thumbs up, and peace sign. This triggers adorable effects on the screen like a floating pink heart, colorful ribbons, or a cute emoji. You can have fun with it alone or with friends, adding these vivid animations to your photo or videos to make them even more enjoyable and creative. The HTC's U24 Pro boasts a stunning 6.8 inches and 120Hz OLED screen. Whether you are browsing favorite websites, watching the latest movie trailers, or simply checking photos, the smooth and vibrant display ensures a visual feast for your eyes. Paired with stereo dual speakers, it provides a more immersive audio experience, making gaming and entertainment even more captivating. As a cutting-edge device, HTC U24 Pro also seamlessly integrates with our VIVE XR Elite headset, streaming your shows into a gigantic personal cinema in VR, or simply enjoy them on a 2D screen. U24 Pro's vivid display and rich sound quality also create a mini theater experience in the palm of your hand. To support all-day activities, HTC U24 Pro is equipped with a powerful 4600 mAh battery. With 60-watt fast charging and wireless charging capabilities, you can stay powered up without worrying about running out of the battery during critical moments. That's a wrap for today's video, and if you enjoy our content, please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!